We are super excited to announce the publication of our second mini course, Mastering Intravenous Fluids. It'll be broken down into chapters 1 through 10 covering all things from fluids from A to Z. We've designed the course to be through this private members-only link, but if you'd rather access it through Patreon, all the materials are there and linked. Each chapter will have an ad-free private educational video. This will follow the structure of the included study guide so you can follow along. Take notes. At the end of each chapter, there will be 5 practice questions specific to that chapter. Once you work through all these chapters, you'll find yourself towards the end with a nice summary and review where you can revisit the main points and the highlights from each chapter. At the end of all this, when the course is wrapping up, you'll find yourself with a 30-question practice test to test your knowledge, covering all aspects of the course. These mini courses are designed for real-world application. Whether you're preparing for exams or you're at the bedside making clinical decisions, each course is built to be practical, to save you time, and to boost your clinical acumen. We hope you'll consider joining our Patreon community today to start mastering some emergency and critical care topics. Our Patreon community does have tiered membership, and these courses are included in that paid tier membership. You can also pay a one-time fee. You can access all this through our Patreon page linked in the description, or go to Patreon and search WBM Emergency Critical Care.